Okay, we'll see session on analysis of determinant stress by method of section. Suppose this is your problem. How to draw this section? This section is considered by the unknown member forces. It should not be more than 3. Okay, such that you have to draw this section, and for the different while drawing this different section, you have to find out all the member forces. Okay, this is your first problem, and this is given. The section 1 is given. First step, find out the reaction. So summation x equal to 0 towards right as positive. Here you have HA, and here horizontal force, that is 2 kilonewton. So HA is equal to 2 kilonewton. Summation y equal to 0 upward as positive. VA plus VD equal to 6 plus 3 plus here 2 kilonewton plus 2, which is equal to 11 kilonewton. Then consider moment at point A equal to 0, clockwise as positive. So VD anti-clockwise minus VD into total distance is 3 plus 4 plus 3, that is 10. 10 plus 6 into 3 plus clockwise 3 into this distance 7 plus 2 into 7 plus here one horizontal force, that is 2 into vertical distance is 3 equal to 0. Find out VD has 5.9 kilonewton. Substitute in this, you have VA, that is 11 minus 5.9, which is equal to 5.1 kilonewton. Okay, next step, to draw the free body diagram of that section 1. You can take the section either right side of the section or left side of the section. I have considered this right portion. So, just draw the free body diagram including all the forces. Okay, this is your free body diagram, and here if you cut this section, these 3 members are unknown over here. So 1, 2, 3 members are unknown. So just mark same thing, representation F of member name, that is BC, FBC, this is FBE, and this force is FFE. Okay, just assume the direction and mark this, just get the angle. This angle, that is nothing but tan inverse of, so opposite by adjacent, opposite is 3 by, this is 4, 3 by 4, you have 36.86 degree. Okay, just mark it. Now using the equilibrium equation, that is summation x, horizontal force, vertical force, and moment at any point, you will get all the 3 member forces. Okay, first have considered summation y equal to 0, upward as positive, all the upward forces. Here you have 5.1 minus 6 plus this force FBE, sine of 36.86 equal to 0, therefore FBE is 1.5 kilonewton. See this, FBE is towards the joint, so it is compression C. Next, consider moment at joint A, joint B, at this joint. Okay, at this joint, moment at this joint equal to 0, clockwise is positive. See here you have this 5.1 into this distance is 3. Okay, next you have this FFE, it is anti-clockwise, so minus FFE into distance, vertical distance, that is 3. Then you have another 2 kilonewton, this force, that is 2 into 3 equal to 0. You have FFE is equal to 7.5 kilonewton. This is away from the joint, so it is tension T. Later, summation x equal to 0 towards right as positive. Consider all the horizontal forces. This is 2 minus 2 plus FFE, that is nothing but 7.1 from previous step, minus FBC minus 1.5. This FBE is 1.5 into cos of 36.86 equal to 0. You have FBC as 5.9 kilonewton. This is towards the joint, so it is compression. Here just only one section is given, so that 3 forces if you find is enough. Suppose if they mention in the problem, find all the member forces, then you have to take other 2 more section or 1 more section according to the problem. Okay, next we'll come to the second problem. Here this is given. Okay, 3 HA, VA, VB. First step, find out the reaction. Summation x equal to 0, towards right has positive, and towards right you have this 50 kilonewton plus HA equal to 0, where HA will be minus 50. So minus 50 is nothing but you have to, what you are assuming this direction is wrong, just change that direction. It is nothing but this direction, 50. Okay, so in this direction. Similarly, summation y equal to 0, VA plus VB equal to 100 kilonewton. Take moment at point A equal to 0, minus VB into 5 plus 50 into 6 plus 100 into 5 equal to 0. You will get VB as 160 kilonewton. This is 160, and substitute back in this equation. You have EA is equal to 100 minus 160. You will get minus 60. So it will be, what you assume that upward is wrong. Here VA is downward 60. Okay. Next. Okay. Next we'll move to this free body diagram. First, there is no section given in the problem. They are told to find out all the member forces. First, draw the section. You can consider this section. Here it will be section 1-1, and later you can consider this section 2-2. Okay. First, draw the free body diagram of 1-1 section. This is a free body diagram. Find out this angle. Okay. So this angle opposite by adjacent, opposite distances. Here, to find out this opposite, first you have to find out this distance. From similar triangle you have EC. These two are similar triangle. EC divided by DC equal to AB divided by BD. Just find out the value of EC. AB is 5 by BD is 6 into DC. DC is 3. Just find out, you will get EC as 2.5 meter. Okay. So similarly you can find out this angle opposite by adjacent. Opposite is, this is 3 by tan inverse of 3 by 2.5. You will get 50.19. Okay. Just mark this 1-1 free body diagram 50.19. Then after drawing this free body diagram, take summation. Moment at point B is equal to 0, clockwise as positive. Okay, minus this thing, minus 60 into, this distance is 5, 60 into 5, plus this value. You have resolve this. Okay, so at move point only this you have to consider. So this will be at this point B is anti-clockwise, so minus 60 into 5. Then this you have vertical resolution. So again this will be upward, so it is positive clockwise plus FAE sine of 50.19 into distance will be 5 equal to 0. You will get FAE value. Okay, 78.1 kilonewton tension equals away from the joint, so it is tension. Consider summation x equal to 0, towards right as positive. So minus 50 plus this value 78.1 into cos of 50.19, then plus, or again it is plus FEB cos of 50.19 equal to 0. FEB is equal to, while solving you get this value as 0. Okay. Next, consider summation y equal to 0. You have this 160 minus 60 minus FBC plus this will be 0. So consider only this upward. So plus 78.1 sine of 50.19 equal to 0. You will get the answer. Solve it. You will get the answer. FBC equal to, FBC is 160 kilonewton, and it is FBC towards the joint, so it is compression C. Okay. Next, take the section 2-2. Free body diagram of 2-2. Just draw the free body diagram. Consider any side of the section. Okay. Section 2 to here you have 160 kilonewton. Okay. Then this is 50.19. This force is FDC. Here this member is FEB, which is equal to 0. Well, previous FEB you have got it as 0. Then this FAB and this as FEC. Just mark the direction. As in my direction. Okay. First step. Consider summation y as 0, upward as positive. Okay, you have this 160 minus FDC. Then no other force, both are horizontal, so equal to 0. Therefore, FDC equal to 160 kilonewton, which is towards the joint, so compression C. Next, summation, write this joint B and C. Okay, moment at B is equal to 0, clockwise as positive at this point. So here it will be only force F, EC. It will be anti-clockwise, so minus this distance is 3 equal to 0, no other force, hence it is FEC equal to 0. Finally, summation x equal to 0, towards right as force, you have this FAB minus FDC, FEC equal to 0. Your FEC is 0, hence your FAB also equal to 0. Okay, hence all the forces are found.